From the airport, a 30-minute scenic drive brings you to one of the most beautiful areas on the spectacular North Shore of Maui. It is a place called Huelo Point. Perched on the cliff overlooking Waipio Bay are a few very private oceanfront estates. Distinguished by its tile roofs and red hedges, one estate has long been an exclusive hideaway for discriminating guests seeking sumptuous accommodations, stunning ocean views, and unparalleled privacy. E komo mai, welcome to the Huelo Point Flower Farm, a 2-acre oceanfront Hawaiian estate unlike any other. This sensational property includes 3 contemporary dwellings, a main residence, a guest residence, and a gazebo cottage. It also features a 4-car garage with a studio, a garden cottage, a greenhouse, and lush tropical landscapes. The 4-bedroom main residence faces the Pacific Ocean and stunning views of Waipio Bay. The central feature is a large great room, bathed in sunlight from skylights in the 21-foot-high cathedral ceiling. African mahogany hardwood floors, marble bathrooms, and granite countertops are a few of the many special touches in this contemporary design. From the kitchen to the seating and dining areas in the great room, the cliff and ocean views are always with you. The view north from the master bedroom can also be enjoyed from the hot tub just outside the door. Another skylight bathes the master bath in sunlight. Just out the door, you can relax by the swimming pool, rain or shine. On the west end of the main house are another marble bath and 3 bedrooms. One of them tucked away upstairs. Timeless design, custom features, and intimate contact with nature are all key elements of the main residence experience. Facing the ocean on the east end of the property is the beautiful 2-bedroom oceanfront guest residence. Custom features of the great room include Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, skylights in the 18-foot-high cathedral ceiling, and an elegant marble bathroom. A spectacular wall of glass captures the stunning ocean views from the ground floor. And from the dramatic second floor master bedroom that floats above. Surrounded by nature, the cliffside deck and hot tub make this a very private guest residence. Nestled in the middle is the oceanfront Gazebo Cottage, the perfect private retreat for overnight guests. Three cliffside hot tubs and a free-form swimming pool with its own waterfalls all offer seclusion from the rest of the property. Above the four-car garage is a large studio loft space, suitable for a wide variety of purposes. The garden cottage has marble floors, a three-quarter bath, and separate office and lounge areas that serve as the agricultural office and employee lunchroom. The estate also includes a sustainable organic farm, growing many types of tropical flowers and a wide variety of fruits. Raised beds produce fresh vegetables all year round. And the orchard yields bananas, papayas, mangoes, oranges, grapefruit, limes, tangerines, star fruit, lychee, and breadfruit. Truly a gardener's paradise and a gourmet's delight. The Huelo Point Flower Farm is one of Maui's most special and unique properties. Beautiful architecture, lavish living areas, spectacular ocean and landscape views, and a stunning oceanfront location make this estate the ultimate in a private paradise. This exquisite oceanfront estate on Huelo Point is listed with Coldwell Banker Island Properties. For more information or a private showing, please contact Al Chiarella at 808-276-7777 or Jennifer Lake at 808-357-5422. Mahalo for your consideration of this rare opportunity.